I mentioned earlier that this vise wouldn't fully close, it goes to there. And what I've discovered is there's a thrust washer missing from there. There's meant to be a washer in between the vise screw part and the moving jaw. We'll take it apart. There's a thrust washer that goes in between here and there, so I'm going to go and make a one. There definitely wasn't one on when I stripped it, because I've reviewed the video of it coming apart and it just wasn't there. So we need to make it. It'll be 4 inches, supposed to be an imperial size. Yeah, 4 inch, 100mm. With a flat on so it sits under there. So we'll go down to the workshop and see if we can make one. I've got a bit of 4 inch round bar here. I'm sure there'll be a thrust washer inside of there, just in case of finding it. I've got no idea what sort of steel it is. The sort of steel that comes out of a skip. It looks sort of shiny. It's not stainless. Might have stainless in it. We'll have a go and see if we can machine it. The first thing I need to do is bore a hole through here for the threaded part of the handle to go through. So we'll do that now. We'll put a drill in. Deep, there's already a hole there. We'll drill it out and make it a little bit deeper than that. And kind of just make it up as we go along, like I do with most things really. Like stainless. Horrible, nasty, stringy chips. Really is horrible stuff this. I couldn't have picked the worst bit of bar. I'll write on it when I'm finished. Horrible stuff. Right, I seriously think this is going to be spectacular. Trying to part this off. That is horrendous. I've got no idea what this is. We're doing any more of it. I wish I'd never seen the stuff. Of course, I've got no thin blades left from the other part and tool. I'm stuck with these big, I think they're 4mm Banggood tips. We'll put some water on it and see if that helps. Can't make it any worse, can it? And I could put a power feed on and walk away. Oh, you bastard! Right, it's a job for me mate Scott, there's no doubt about it. I don't know what sort of steel it is, I don't want to fucking know. I'm not playing with that anymore. No wonder I couldn't part the bastard off. Not funny at all, that. Not funny at all. It's going to go back in a skip, that bastard. Absolutely horrible this. Right, I'll try a different approach this time with a fairly decent tip in there. I'm going to try a nice slow power feed cut. That's obviously a lot better there. It's doing a decent job. And so I eventually got the thrust washer machined. I need to put some. Oh. A bit of grease on there. Like that. Interestingly enough, we've got the best material of its time, which is wrought iron, and we've got this stuff which is, God knows what it is, but it's a bit of decent stuff. Right, so that's how it works. That's the thrust washer in there, the way it's supposed to be. So now the vice will fully tight, I would imagine. I'm up the fucking eyes. Oh, it's everywhere. Shite. Anyway. Oh, the flat on the top stops it from turning round. Happy with that. A happy-ish anyway. Yeah, it's sort of jammed itself in where it wants to live now. We're interested to come back in 150 years time if we haven't blown ourselves all to bits and see what that weather's like compared to the wrought iron. I'm sure Devs will be happy with it once I get it cleaned off. Right, it's sort of lined itself up where it wants to be. It's all piss wobbly slack, it's meant to be like that. Feels lovely that. I was tempted to put a thrust washer in there like a ball race in there, but it didn't deem it necessary, so the only issue was I'd draw there slightly higher. I don't think it'll make very much difference at all for what it's going to be doing. I'll find somewhere to put it now. Once again, just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And as I keep saying, it is important, but it's nowhere near as important as addressing mental and physical health issues. I can't stress too strongly that, like, pretending things aren't there, you know, bury your head in the sand, they won't go away. You need to talk about things, you need to get help. I've been there, I know what it's like. I know what it's like to be a broken. You don't like to admit that you're poorly or you've got especially a mental health problem. And honestly, you're not the only one. There's more people got mental health problems than you realise. Anyway, that's enough of me waffling on about mental health, which I'm going to keep on doing. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.